Hello students, welcome to our class, and today we are taking our part 3 of this chapter. Other things of this chapter, other part of this chapter we have discussed about in our previous session about the different types of things which we have in our textbook. In this session we discuss about the neutralization reaction. We have some types of base acid in our some types of things which we have seen in our textbooks. So now we see about the neutralization reaction which happen us. Substances that are neither acidic or nor basic in our nature are called neutral substances. As we have discussed about the acidic and basic of things which we have, then after also some types of indicators which we use for our some types of check substances. Then after substances that are neither acidic nor basic in nature, neither acidic nor basic in nature are called neutral substances. Then after the some types of reaction we have when we add different types of acidic and basic to each other, what happen, what they will react, this type of process reaction we have. The reaction between an acid a base, the reaction between acid and a base is called neutralization reaction. For we will discuss about the neutralization reaction. So what is a neutralization reaction? The reaction in which between an acid and a base we have two different type acid and a base when they react to each other. This is called neutralization reaction. Then after here we have some formula. Using this formula we try to understand that first acid plus base, that means when we add base in acid, what happen when we have some type of acid, then we add base in them, then we get salt, water and heat. Also we get some type of heat. It evaporate for salt, water and heat. So that means when we add base in acid, what we will get? We get salt, water and heat. Using this formula we will know about this. This is one type of neutralization reaction. That means when we add acid and base, what will they react to each other? After adding them we get salt, water and heat. Then after we have also second type of formula when we add sodium hydroxide. As we have seen different types of hydroxide in our previous session, and you can also see that this type of hydroxide in your textbooks also given. So when we add sodium hydroxide into hydrochloric acid, what will be happen? When we add sodium hydroxide into hydrochloric acid, we get sodium chloride plus water and also plus heat. When we add sodium hydroxide in hydrochloric acid, we get sodium chloride, also water and then also heat. That means in this side we can see two types of things, acid and base, which we have add. Then after we have other hydrochloric acid and also sodium hydroxide. When we add them, between them it react to each other, and after reaction we will get this type of thing. In this we get salt, water and also evaporate heat. Then after evolution of heat we also get there. Then after, so in this process we will get sodium chloride, water and also heat. So this is a neutralization reaction. We have different types of substances, but the substances neither acid nor base, neither acid nor base in nature. They are called neutral substances, and when we add them to each other, they will be react. This process is called the neutralization reaction, and for them we have some trick. Using this trick we will know about the reaction of this. When we add to each other, what will we get? We get the different types of things: salt, water and heat in this, and also here sodium chloride, water and heat. First we have discussed about the neutralization reaction. Now discuss about the uses of neutralization reaction in everyday to our life. All human beings live their life, they survive from against from many things. So also we use neutralization reaction in everyday life in our body. Also some other parts of things which we have, they all have to use neutralization reaction. In them first we have acidity. You know about the acidity. Sometime your family member say they have pain in their stomach. This is also because of the acidity it will happen. So what is acidity? So you have already learned about the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid which is present in our stomach, in the gastric juice which is secreted in the stomach. It is present in gastric juice which is secreted in our stomach, and this type of acid is this type of acid helps us to digest our food. But excess of this hydrochloric acid, excess amount of this hydrochloric acid, we get the painful condition. We get the painful condition, and they are called acidity. That means if any person get the excess amount of hydrochloric acid, then this type of person, then that person will get the painful condition in their stomach, and they are called the acidity. And for resolving this type of acidity, our elder always say us to take tablet or take milk magnesia, which are solve our this type of problem. When we use some type of tablet and milk magnesia, they have this type of base which is solve this excess amount of hydrochloric acid, and we will recover from the acidity. So in this way, using acidity, we also use the neutralizing reaction in our life. Then after we have ant and bee sting. You you can say ant and bee around us. Sometimes they will bite us. After getting bite by them, when they bite us, we get some type of itching because they have some type of acid in them, and this type of acid when go in our body, this part of our body which has bitten by of this ant and bee, we on this part we will get itching. So when ant and bee sting us, to neuralization this type of effect of an ant or bee sting, that portion of the body is rubbed with moist baking soda or calamine solution. When we use this type of baking soda or calamine solution uh, on the itching part, on the part which we have bitten by the ant and bee, when we get this type of condition, take some baking soda or calamine lotion and rub on the part of our body. Baking soda contains sodium hydrogen. Baking soda contains sodium hydrogen. Then after calamine solution contains zinc hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. Both these solutions are basic in nature. Both these solutions are basic in nature, hence help to reduce the aging. So they help us to reduce our aging. Then after we have soil treatment. The farmer always fertilize their soil for getting best seeds. So over fertilization of the soil will damage the crops. So farmers fertilize their soil to get better crops, but over fertilization of the soil will damage crops. In these situations, if the soil is too acidic, basic quicklime which contains calcium oxide or slakelime which contains calcium hydroxide is added to neutralization the acidic nature of soil. It will be help us to get resolve this type of problem. If the soil is too basic, organic matter is added to the soil. Organic matter are added to the soil. Organic matter releases acid. Organic matter will releases acid, neutralization the basic nature of soil. Using this process, we also neutralization reaction will be useful in us in soil treatment. Then after we have disposal of factory wastage. You have almost in different types of factories are available around us. We can get different types of things which we have used for our purpose of different purposes. All these type of things which we have used we can get from the factories, because the all types of things are made in factories. So making these types of things, they use different types of processes in these factories, and after they have also the some types of damage solutions. Now these types of solutions they will mix with the water. They will remove this type of their waste which they have in their factories. They have some types of wastage of this factory, but when they remove their wastage, they use some types of acidic formula in the wastage, because if they direct mix this wastage in water, they will be damaged for plants and animals. So they use some types of substances add the wastage, and then after they mix this wastage in water. So in disposal of factory, neutralization reaction are also useful. So we have seen here acidity, about the ant and bee sting, soil treatment, and also disposal of factory wastage. In these all type we can see the uses of neutralization reaction. About the neutralization reaction we have also discussed some types of base when we add they react to each other, they are called neutralization reaction, and we get the different types of substances by adding two types of substances each other. These type of neutralization reaction are also very useful to us in our everyday life, in acidity, also in ant and bee sting, then after soil treatment, and also in disposal of factory wastage. So students, our chapter number 5 is completed here. In this chapter we have discussed about the acidic, then after also the base, some types of indicators. We use different types of indicators. Turmeric is our natural indicator which we have used to check substances, chemical substances, because it is dangerous to taste directly by our hand. So we have some types of indicators. Then after also China rose, which are also very useful to us as indicator. When we add some petals of China rose in water, the color of the water is changed. Then after the water is ready, to help us as indicator. Then after, about the neutralization reaction, we have some trick in our textbooks. Using this formula we will clear about the neutralization reaction, and after adding two types of things, when we add them, then after we get the different types of things. Then after, neutralization reaction are useful to us at our life, in everyday life, in acidity, in when we get acidity, we can recover from this type of problem using the some type of tablet and also milk. Then after, ant and bee sting, when they bit us, we will use calamine lotion or baking soda on damaged part. Then after, soil treatment, when farmer over fertilizes their soil, then some types of substances are used to recover them. Then after, disposal of factory wastage, when they mix the wastage in water, they add some types of substances and in wastage. So our chapter number 5 is completed here. Try to understand this chapter and also your textbooks while you will see these videos. So now we will meet in our chapter number 6.